Hi everyone, today we are going to learn practical number 5 of OOPS in C++. So I'll take you to the practical question, that is implement program showcasing various types of constructors and deconstructors. So which means that we'll understand when are they called during the object creation and destruction. So the code is hashtag include IOStream using namespace std. IOStream is used for input and output operations, that is count. Namespace std, which allows us to use the count and L without writing std. Class demo private int x. Demo is a class. X is here a private data member, which is access only the inside the class. Then public demo x is equal to 0. Count default constructor called x is equal to x and L. So here, what does it do? It automatically has an object which is being created without arguments, which initialize x to 0 and displays a message to show it is executed. Demo into value x is equal to value, count parameterized constructor called x equal to x and L. Where here, it is called when an object has been created with arguments and it is assign the pass value to x. For example, demo b10 or demo a10, whatever the number is. Next, we have demo const, demo and obj. X equal to obj.x count or copy constructor call. So here we are calling when one object is created using another object and it copies the value x from the existing object. Next, demo count destructor called x equal to x and L. We call automatically when an object goes out of the scope, which is used for cleanup activities and it is executed in the reverse order of the object creation. We are int main count creating object a and L demo a. Int in int main is where the execution starts. Count helps me to display. It creates an object A over here. Next, we have count creating object B. Creates object 2, object B that is, which call the parameterized constructor and the output would be x is equal to 10. Next, we are creating the object C, which is a copy of B. You can say demo C is equal to B, which means that it calls the copy constructor and copies the value of x from B to C. Return 0, the program ends. These structures are called automatically. So the output would be this, which is where we are creating an object A, B for constructor called x equal to 0, and creating B object, which is paternalized constructor called x equal to 10. What does it do here? It shows the constructors where we call as when objects are being created. Destructor is called when objects are destroyed. Destruction happens in reverse order. Thank you. I hope it is clear for you all. We'll see you in the next video.